All right. Good evening, viewers. Please, for those that have seen this question before on our other page, the reason why I am resolving it is simply because so many complained that the one on the other page is not too clear. Okay, so many where I got, Good evening, viewers. I don't want some of us to be surprised thinking that I'm re-uploading the same question. The reason why I'm doing this is because I got so many complaints about the first one. So many persons said the other one wasn't clear enough. They couldn't see the numbers. So this is why I've decided to do it again. Okay, so that they can go through it and understand it better. So I believe this is clearer than the former one. All right. Now, from what we have there, we are being asked to find B. B. That's this place here. This B. All right. We are asked to find B, the length B. Okay. From what we have on board, if you watch carefully, you observe that this shape is not regular. Okay, it's like the shape is not a regular kind of shape, and you also notice that you are having a combination of two shapes, a rectangle and a triangle. Now the triangle now is cut from here. All right, if you cut it from here, now here is a triangle and here is a rectangle. Okay, so we are going to solve them differently, then sum them up or add them together. Okay, then we will now let's proceed. All right, now let's see the area of this. Now we are given the total area. Now we are given the total area, okay, which is 15 centimeters square. So A equals 15 centimeters square. This one is given. Now, but we are asked to look for the value of B. Okay, so having divided this shape into two parts now, rectangle and triangle, let's work out the area of this rectangle. We remember that the area of a rectangle is simply area equals length times breadth. Area of rectangle. Okay, area of rectangle, we have length times breadth, and these are length here is longer and these are breadth, so we have 4 times 3 equals 12 centimeters square. Now this is the area of the rectangle. Now we need the area of the triangle. Now we need the area of the triangle. Now, to get the area of the triangle, a lot needs to be done. Reason being that the area of a triangle is simply half base times height, okay, perpendicular height. Now, the height here now, you can use it in another way. This is the height here. This is the height. From here to here is the height of this triangle, and it's not given, but we are given the side. Okay, let's write area of triangle equals half BH. Okay, base times height. The base is not given, the height is not given. Now, how do we solve for the base and the height? Now, like I said earlier, this length here equals this length. So from here to here would be same as 3 minus this place, because all here is 3. If you minus this place, you have this. Okay, so the height now is 3 minus B. Okay, so our height becomes 3 minus B. That's our height. I don't know if it's clear. From here to here is 3 centimeters, which is same with here to here. Okay, but this place is removed. This is the height. From here to here is the height. Okay, so if here to from here to here is 3 centimeter, minusing here to here, you get the height. So that we have 3, which is this 3 here to here is the 3 minus b, okay, equals our height. And of course our base, everything here is 7 centimeter, here to here is 4, okay, which is to here. So from here to here now be 7 minus 4, which is 3, okay. So it will now make here to this place 3 centimeters, and from here now to this place, sorry, here will be 4, the 4 you have here, okay. From here and here is the same thing. So from here to here now will be 4 centimeters, whereas from here to here will be 3 centimeters. So now our triangle becomes our triangle becomes 3 minus b as our height and 3 centimeter as our base. All right, as our base, and we said it's half base times height. So if we are to put in the value now of b and h, we therefore have half times our b now is 3, that's our base, times our h is 3 times, sorry, okay. If we are to substitute the value of b and h now, we therefore have half, okay, times our b now is 3 times this is 3 minus b. So let's quickly open the bracket. We have this times this, we have 9 minus 3b, 9 minus 3b, 9 minus 3b over, remember we are multiplying by half, so it's as good as divide by 2, okay. So I haven't done this now, we want to proceed. Now, since that's our formula now, this is now our, now we've gotten the value. We've now gotten the value of our triangle. 9 minus 3b over 2 is the value of our triangle. Now, but we were told that the area of the entire shape is 15. Okay, 15 equals, remember that if we add the 2, we'll get the area. So we are going to say 15 now equals 12 that we got from that's the, now we are going to say 15, which is the total area as given, equals this, the summation of the two sides, okay, the triangle and the rectangle. We are going to add them up, so everything is equating, because the question, since we are given area, sorry, now since we are given the area, and we worked out the area for rectangle and that of the triangle, we are going to equate it to 15, equate the summation of the two to 15. And we therefore have 15 as given, okay, as the area now, equals the 12 centimeter that we got from the area of the rectangle plus that of the triangle, and with the triangle on is this. All right, so now we are going to, let's make this one fraction to make it easier. So let's make both of them a common denominator. Okay, we have 2, that's by LCM now. LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. So 2 divided by 1 is, sorry, 1 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 12, we have 24. Okay, plus 2 divided by 2, 1. So everything remains the same. We have 1 minus 3b. Okay, 1 minus 3b. And we see our equals 15. Now let's also make this one fraction because we are cross multiplying. Okay, everything, this 1 multiply everything here, and this 15 multiplies everything here. Okay, so if we are doing that, we have 24. Remember that if is multiplying everything there, the value will remain the same. It will not change. Minus 3b equals 15 times 2. That's 30. Remember, we are looking for b, and this is our b. Okay, so let's bring all families to one side and the one with variable b to one side. B is already here. Let's leave the b here. Let's move this 2 to this place. But before then, we can add 24 plus 9. We have 33 minus 3b equals 30. Okay, this one now is coming here. So we have minus 3b. Mind you, there's a minus here. Equals 30. Now this 33 here is plus 33 because there is no sign. So if it's coming here to change to minus, we have minus 33. So we therefore have minus 3b equals minus 3. That's 30 minus 33 is minus 3. Okay, we are looking for b. So what we'll do now is to divide both sides by the coefficient of b. That is what is disturbing b here. So we therefore have minus 3b over minus 3. This is what is disturbing b from standing alone. Minus 3 over minus 3. So when this cancel this cancel this cancel this, and this is 1. You get? So we therefore have b equals 1 centimeter. All right. Now to prove this, now to prove this, now to prove this, now prove. To prove this, let's substitute the value of b as 1 centimeter into the equation we got. Okay, into the answer. Now to prove this, let's substitute the value of b as 1 in the answer, the result we got from the area of the triangle. Now the answer we got, we said the area of the triangle is half base times height, and the answer we got as our result was 9 minus 3b over 2. Right? And we said now our b is 1. Right? So wherever we see our b, we'll put 1 there as gotten here. All right? So we therefore have 9 minus 3 times 1 now. Let me just put it there. So we therefore have 9 minus 3 over 2 equals 6 over 2 equals 3 centimeters squared. So this way now, if we put the value of b as 1 into the result we got from the area of the triangle, we'll get 13 centimeter. And 13 centimeter now plus 3, if we put the value of b as 1 in the formula or in the result, if we put the value of b equals to 1, if we put the value of b equals 1 in the result we got from the area of a triangle, we got 3 centimeters square. Okay, and remember that of the rectangle was 12 centimeters. Now if we add the 12 now plus this 3, we'll have 15 centimeters square. And this is the same thing that was given as total area before we start working the question. Okay, and this now if we put them together to be 15 centimeter, and this was the same thing we were given before we started working, before we started solving the question. Okay, and this, okay, now if you put the value of b equals 1 into the result we got from the area of the triangle, we'll get 3 centimeters our area of triangle, and adding it to the 12 we got from the area of the rectangle, we get 15 centimeters square. And this is the same value we were given from the question. You know, we are told the area is 15 centimeters square, but we should look for the value of b that will make this the equation true. Okay, now if you observe that if we put the value of b as 1, we'll get 3 centimeters square for the area of the rectangle. Sorry, if we put the value of b as 1 into the result we got from the area of the triangle, we therefore get 3 centimeters square. Okay, and adding into the 12 centimeters that we got from the area of the rectangle, we get 15 centimeters square. And this is exactly what we were given in the question when they said the area equals 15 centimeters square. So assuming what we got here is not equal to 15 centimeters, then b is not correct as 1. But because we got 15 centimeters, I haven't done it well, then we are correct. Thank you so much.